What's up everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna share you another command that you can try in this ChatGPT, particularly to colorize the old picture or the grayscale picture. So you can start to prepare and choose the picture that you'd like to use. And don't forget to activate this create image first. And if you would like to create the command, always start it by typing this slash and, for example, colorize like this. And now you can start to upload your picture. For example, I'm gonna select this one and then click open. And now you can also add the following prompt after this command. For example, the picture attach, for example, like this, and then you can click the send prompt and kindly wait for the result down here. And then after waiting for a while, here's gonna be the final result. So to make this colorized picture, this ChatGPT even not making or coloring this picture not overly colored, just adjusting the proportion. For example, the background is about the nature and this is the color of the owl, and also the skin tone of this woman, and also this is the outfit color. That's good, and you can try it guys, and if you like it then you can simply download it. So don't forget to try this command if you have any old picture and wanna make it to be in reality and make it more colorful. So you can use this, and I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.